Let's go! My stock market bulls and bears. It is your boy, Terry Tillman, aka Mr. LCA. Also to you guys as the official mayor of Gnogville. Guys, we had a real emotional week. People were getting scared. They're selling out. They're running. Let them run because I'm not worried. I got some great news that I have found that I don't know why people are selling. Like, what is your deal, man? Like, we want, because the people's freaking out about this possible, well, the vote Wednesday. People didn't like that it's not disclosed that they have to vote for Gnog to be separated from the online and the land-based. Honestly, who cares, man? I'm not worried at all. It's going to happen. So I'm going to show you some footage here today, guys, that is truly amazing for the future of Gnog. And everyone that's sold out, they're going to be buying back in eventually once this merger goes through. And they're going to be buying back in at higher prices as we have stated and held. We got strong hands, baby. That's right. We're not selling. And we're going to get these gains. And this is crazy, man. I got some really good information that I think needs to be shared. You guys are going to see a lot of big people have been buying into LCA recently and getting prepared for the merger. So if these people are buying in right now, are they worried about this vote on Wednesday? Heck no, they're not worried. So guys, hope you're ready for today's video. If you are, hit that thumbs up and join the thumbs up nation, baby. I love and appreciate every single one of you guys. Guys, we hit over 18,400 subscribers. We're on the road to 20K subscribers, man. It is so exciting. So baby, hope you're ready for today's video. Let's get to it. Let's go! All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that intro. I'm a little pumped up today because I didn't understand why people are selling off and all this going on, and people's getting scared and getting their panties in a bunch, running. You know what? Go ahead and run. Do what you got to do. Get your gains elsewhere. But I'm here for long term, and this to me is exciting. So guys, comment down below after you watch this video. Do you think this is really good news? Now you may be asking yourself, Terry, the mayor, why are you on BETZ? So ticker symbol BETZ on Robinhood, the Roundhill Sports Betting and iGaming ETF. So this is basically a sector that puts all of the iGaming and sports betting into an ETF. How like ARK Investments has a lot of technology companies. That's right. So the Roundhill Sports Betting and iGaming ETF. As we know, why are we on this? I got something real exciting to show you guys. This is, to me, truly groundbreaking. If you go to their website, Roundhill Investments, and it has ETF bets, and it kind of goes over their website, what is all in there. And if we go down through here and kind of look at what they have, let's just break this down real quick. So BETZ here has what it is. This is the investor presentation for October 2020. And it has a disclaimer that you should also consider the objections, risks, and you know, because you're doing gambling and things like that, that's kind of what this ETF focuses on. And it has here the sports betting and iGaming explained, the global market size, online advantage, market, and legalization. The case studies has Penn National Gaming, DraftKings, and Canby. And as we go down here, it says sports betting is the wagering an outcome on sports match. iGaming is an umbrella term represented to the business of online gaming. iGaming categorized includes sports betting, online poker, casino games, daily fantasy sports, and more. So as we go down here and look at the online gaming market size, you can see in 2019 it was roughly around like 50 billion. In 2020 it looks to be about 65 billion. And for 23 they're looking to be about 90 billion roughly on that there. So if we get down here and look, talks a little bit about more of the revenues and things like that. Go down here to kind of the market size. And if we go down here to legalization, so they're saying by, this is to me pretty crazy. Let me get my big head out of the way. So the market opportunity legalization. Macquarie believes online sports betting will be available to 96% of the population by 2025. Woo-wee! Is that really crazy right there? They're thinking by 2025 that 96% is going to be able to have exposure to online gaming. Now here is, guys, some of the meat and potatoes, and keep in this video, guys, because I got something really cool to show you why I'm breaking this bets down for you, because it's going to lead up to the big news coming up. That's right, and big news is coming up. So as you can see here, it's saying that Penn National Gaming is about 5.8% of the BETZ ETF exposure. Ticker symbol PEN, I think everyone knows what that is. They have Barstool Sports, Barstool Sportsbook in Greektown, Detroit. And it has all this information here. You can get on their website. They also, in this ETF, they have DraftKings, guys. It's about 6.7% of the ETF is DraftKings. Ticker symbol DKNG. They have DraftKings Daily Fantasy Sports, DraftKings Sportsbook, DraftKings Casino, and SB Tech. I think everybody knows what DraftKings is. And they also have Kambi, which is roughly 2.9% of the ETF. So they also have down here a little bit more information of the breakdown of what's all in here, the country exposure, the market capitalization exposure, and here's the ETF top holdings and bets. William Hill is 9.5%, PointsBets is 8.4%, DraftKings 6.7%, SG Scientific Games 5.9%, Penn National 5.8%. And there's just a bunch of, they have Churchill Downs here, which is 3.2, Playtech 3.2. A lot of other people in the bets. And as you can see, growth of 10,000 charts since inception. You can see this thing has been growing up like crazy since June of 20. And now we are looking up to the moon on this ETF, guys. And here it is. You get on their website, roundhillinvestments.com. They have a Twitter at Roundhill and at LinkedIn, Roundhill Investments. So you may be wondering, why are you showing me this, Terry, if there is nothing about Golden Nugget on there? Let's get to the meat and potatoes, because this is where it gets really good for you guys and me, man. This is where I just is like, woo! I'm so excited, guys. We're going to go back to the Fintel website. That is correct. And if you don't know what the Fintel website is, this is where businesses and institutional holders have to register their holdings. That is right. So this is for basically new companies and investors that have invested. Institutional buyers is 64 institutional buyers of Golden Nugget. Open positions is 57. And this is for any kind of company that has open positions in LCA. And if you look at the very first one here, guys, look who is in there. November the 20th, BETZ, Roundhill Sports Betting and iGaming ETF, just purchased 170,000 shares of LCA. Woo! Yes, sir, you got it. The BETZ ETF that is holding the sports betting and the iGaming ETF has just loaded up, because they know the vote is Wednesday, Thanksgiving Eve in New Jersey, to separate the online from the land-based. That's right. So BETZ that has invested a lot of money, literally on this bet of this vote Wednesday to go through. They know buying in now is going to make their ETF worth a lot more in the future, because when this stock starts to hit over 20, it starts hitting over 25, it starts hitting over 30, their investment right now at probably about $13 and some a share is going to double and triple in the future as this iGaming market takes off, guys. So to everyone that has sold out, you may have missed the boat, man, because BETZ has bought everything you guys just sold, people that sold, and I don't care if you did, you got your profit, happy for you. But for us long-term investors like BETZ here, for example, just bought all your shares at a discounted price. They bought 170,000 shares on November the 20th. And we're just going to read down all these companies and institutions that have bought Golden Nugget shares recently in November. So if all these big institutions is worried and scared, why would they invest millions of dollars? Like 170,000 shares have been purchased by BETZ. That is truly great news for us, man. This Wednesday is what we've been waiting for to separate the land-based and online. And now that people are scared about it, they're running away. I understand, like, it may not have been 100% clear, but who cares? It's not going to, how's this not going to go through? Ask yourself that. How's this not going to go through for them to separate it? All these companies are invested. So we got, let's read over some of the big ones here in November. I'm going to skip like one here, bought 5,000 in some shares. Schoenfeld Strategic Advisors just purchased 120,000 more shares. They currently had 15,000 shares before that. Intrinsic Edge Capital Management, guys, bought 100,000 shares on November the 16th. We got Prelude Capital, bought some options contracts. They bought 2,400 call options, guys. That is insane. So congrats to Prelude on loading up the boat on that one. Then down here we got this Citadel Advisors on November the 16th, bought 89,000 shares. For some reason, they also bought 253,000 put contracts. I don't know why they really did that, but that's kind of confusing. You buy the shares and a put. So I don't know. Maybe they have a reasoning behind it. But look at this one here, guys. Susquehanna International Group on November the 16th bought 1.7 million shares. That is right. Woo! People is loading up, guys, on this, and it is truly amazing to see this right now. And if we scroll down here to some other big boys, the Venture Capital Management bought 110,000 shares. They currently had 100,000 shares before that. The Diversify Capital Management bought a total of 350,000 shares. They had 250,000 before that. Down here, this Citadel Advisors again bought 283,000 call contracts on November the 16th. This Tudor Investment bought 283,000 shares, guys. Goldman Sachs Group bought 151,000 shares. I mean, if you just go down this list here, guys, it is insane. I'm going to put this link to this down in the description below. But, I mean, I'm just seeing these numbers here literally. I mean, like, right here is Peak 6 Investments bought 373,000 call options contracts. That is, like, insane. Lord Abbott and Company bought 216,000 shares, and that was November the 12th. Royce and Associates bought 77,000 shares. We got Group 1 Trading bought 267,000 shares on November the 12th as well. So many people loaded up on this, guys. Look at this. This Contrarius Investment Management bought 734,000 shares on November the 6th, guys. Oh, my Lord. Are we in for some great future with Gold Nugget, guys? Would all these companies invest this amount of money in buying this many shares, this many options contract, if they did not feel that, you know, this vote is not going to go good on Wednesday? So, I don't know. In my personal opinion, I don't think this vote is anything to worry about. To me, it's a slam dunk because, number one, Golden Nugget in Atlantic City's been there forever. Tillman has a huge presence in Atlantic City. You know, Thomas Winter's been the president now for, it said, since 7 years, since 2013. So, it's Thanksgiving Eve for the vote. So, these council people are just going to be like, yeah, this is a slam dunk. Let's get this vote over with, guys. We can go home. And we can be with our families for the holidays. We can enjoy Thanksgiving, Black Friday, the whole weekend. We'll see y'all Monday. So, honestly, I just see this vote being the most simplest yes ever in the world because it's already been in place, basically, that it just has to go through the process. So, I don't know why people was worried, man. But, you know what? When people get worried, it creates great opportunities for us long-term investors because I'm looking to get in here Monday morning and I'm buying another long call option. That's right, guys. I know they have, let's go to this real quick. I know if we go here to Robinhood. So there's the bets, man. There it is. Like this here right now, guys. Looks like it even pays a dividend yield of 1.31%. And yeah, that is pretty cool right there, guys. Let's look at this chart. Yeah, look at the chart here. So it came out, it was roughly going around $16. It went down to 14, and ever since that 14, we went the whole way up here to $22, and people taking profits went down to $19.59, and it's been up ever since. So this Roundhill sports betting has been doing really good, and as of year to date, they're up 43%. So that is pretty impressive on the bets right there. But let's go back to the portfolio here, guys. And if we go to, oh, I don't know why Robinhood looking like that, but whatever. If we go here to LCA, guys, you can see people sold off, and we're at $13.99 a share. Now, we'll have the early morning people deciding whether they're going to keep buying or they're going to keep selling. But after 9:30, when this market goes live, we're going to get in here to trade LCA options. And as you can see, you can pick up a December 18th buy call. Yeah, you can, let me move my big head out of the way. So if you go into trade LCA options, you can get a $15 call right now for December 18th for $133, depending on where the price goes first thing Monday morning until you can get in there and buy it. I can't buy until the market's technically live. I think I could put an order in, but the price could change. Let's do January 15th. What's the price for that? $198. So not bad at all. So December 18th is $133. And January 15th is $198, and the options contract I have is February 19th. It's still currently setting at $258. So either three of these contract guys, I see you making money. Even if you go here to December 18th, which I think I may pick up that December 18th contract because it's $133, and it gives us, let's see here, about 4 weeks from now, roughly. It's going to about 3.5 to 4 weeks to see what happens. And you're risking like $130 some dollars. At the worst, you can lose the $133, but your gains is unlimited on this, man. And if we go here to back to my portfolio, here's my current LCA contract. So as you can see right now, the cost right here, I paid $195. And the total return right now, even after the dip, man, even after the dip that went down to $13.99, my total return is I'm plus $63, up 32%. Even after people got scared and sold out, guys, I'm still up 32% on this contract. So I'm not worried. And then if it happens to somehow, for me, dip more on Monday morning, I'm just going to keep buying up, guys. I'm going to buy this contract on December 18th. And I think I may get maybe 2 of these December 18th contracts. I can get them in for about, what's that, under $300 for 2 more contracts? Because I have enough shares right now, but I like to get some contracts to get some more buying power in. So that's the deal, man. Contracts I'm seeing on these companies you truly believe in is where the money is to be made, guys. Exactly. These options contracts, when you believe in the company and you are not worried about the company and what they're going to do, and the price goes down, these long call options are beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful stuff, guys. I think $133 is a good price. You get this under $150 on Monday morning when the market opens. You want to buy 1, and if you can, buy 2. And hold them out to December 18th because Wednesday, if this vote goes yes, which I'm pretty much sure the vote's going to go yes, but there's a lot of people scared about that vote. So when the vote goes yes, this thing is going to shoot up to the moon. The meeting is Wednesday at 10 a.m. So when they announce the news, be ready because it is going to be bye, up to the moon it goes. And who knows where this thing's going to end up at the end of the day Wednesday. Let's put it that way. Wednesday, I don't know what's going to happen with this thing. Monday and Tuesday is kind of 50-50. Is it going up or down? I don't know. But Wednesday is going to be the day, man, where we see what happens with this bad boy. So, also, if we go here, guys, I did that, and that. I mean, yeah, here's the still on, if you go to Yahoo Finance, and I went under the holders tab, this here has the top people that still has the most amount of shares, guys, and this updated as of September 29th, so a little bit less than 2 months ago. That Susquehanna Group, 1.7 million shares. Blue Crest Group, 939,000 shares. Contreras Investment is 734,000 shares. The Darhaus Capital Management, 350,000. And Tudor has 283,000 shares, guys. So like I said, hashtag not worried. I am not worried about this merger. I'm not worried about the vote. I'm not worried about anything. And if anything, I'm just going to buy the dip when people panic and sell because I got strong hands and I'm in this for a couple years and we're going to get the gains, guys. That's right. We're going to get the gains. And I'm so excited for all my people that held on. But I still love all my people that sold out and took gains as well. But if you're gonna want to get back in with us, here's the thing. You're going to be buying in at higher prices to get back in where we held this. So good luck to everyone out there. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up. I appreciate and love every single one of you. Oh, and real quick before we end the video, I want to get you guys' true, honest opinion on something. Let me get this pulled up real quick, guys. Sorry. Let me get here to YouTube. I wanted to show you guys my new store. That is right, guys, and I want you guys' honest opinion. Just put out a video on Tesla real quick. Come on. There we go. Okay, and we're going to go to the Teespring store, guys, right here. Okay, here it is coming up. Guys, it's down in the description below. And I want to give a big shout out again to my man Keith for coming up for this design. And he sent it to me and I put it on a shirt. I think it's really cool looking. Guys, I have women's shirts. I have 2 shirts for the men, 2 shirts for the women. There's a classic tee and a comfort tee. And I also got a hoodie and I got a mug. So let's just click on the hoodie real quick. And there it is, guys. Tell me what you think. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Is it stupid? So there's what it is. It has buy the dip. Has me with the crown on. That's going to be the front of the hoodie. And on the back of the hoodie, we got the let's go. So there is what it's going to look like on the back, guys. So I'd really like your opinion. You can currently purchase these right on the Teespring website and the link down below, guys. And I honestly, truly like this design. And I'm going to go ahead and purchase one of these and wear it for a video and see if you guys enjoy that. So guys, like I said, thank you again for everything and all your love and support. Appreciate and love every single one of you. And guys, I can't wait for Wednesday because can't wait to see these accounts these next couple weeks of all the gains we're going to get. So, all right, guys, I will catch you in the next one. And remember to buy the dip, baby. Let me get this big for you guys. Baby, let's